This video is here to help you navigate through Schoology for the summer course. Let's click on our summer course CC1 class as an example. When you open up the CC1 course, you're going to notice many folders. The first folder is just getting started. All it has is that pacing guide that was in the letter. It also has the syllabus, and it also has that the other letter that was sent home earlier a couple weeks ago. So this is just the letters sent home to parents. The next folder that is set up there are videos that correlate with the CPM book. So those are there for you and for the CPM book. The other folders are all folders that correlate with the leverage targets that are on the syllabus. So if you remember that syllabus that's right here, these are all in order of the CPM book. So these are all of the leverage targets. That's exactly how the Schoology course is set up. So the first leverage target here correlates with the first leverage target on the syllabus. So what you'll do is open up that folder, and each folder for the leverage target has 4 folders inside of it. This is consistent with CC1, CC2, and CC3. The green folder will always be a parent guide or parent help. So if your parent is asking questions, make sure you guide your parent to this green folder. The pink folder is the pretest. Boys and girls, the pretest is there for your help. So you're going to want to start with the pretest before you do anything. This will help guide you to understanding what problems you're struggling with so that you are looking for these problems in the CPM lessons and also in Schoology, the learning videos and practice. So take that pretest first. Once you understand where you're at in your learning, then you will use the learning videos and practice to help guide your learning. Anything, any notes you take or any practice that you do is all up to you. You can use a notebook. You can use Notability. That is completely up to you how you do your practice. The practice is not turned into your teacher. Again, this practice is for your learning. Once you feel like you're pretty confident in those questions that you did, and you feel like if you were to retake the pretest, you would get 100% or pretty close, then you're ready to move on to the yellow folder, Check Your Learning. Check Your Learning has a puzzle piece inside which has another assessment. This is the post-test. This is the after you've learned using the CPM lessons that are for you in the syllabus and or using the lessons that are in Schoology. So then you're going to click on that, and then this is the formative test that will come back to your teacher. Now the pretest, when you took the pretest, it's going to give you your score instantly and provide you with instant feedback. That's different than the comparing and ordering decimals post-test or any of the post-tests. When you do a post-test, you will need to wait just for a moment for your teacher to correct that assessment, because there are some showing your work, so that will need to be looked at by a teacher. Each leverage target is set up with the exact same folder, so it doesn't matter which leverage target you click on, you're going to see that green folder, pink folder, purple folder, yellow folder, and they are all set up that way.